Hi everyone. Today got a little bit of a repair job on or going on. It's the leg's broken off the feeder. It's not our feeder, I'm just doing it for a friend and neighbour, and I've made a start on it. Just cleaned up where it sort of snapped off and cut these back so they're square and all in line. So I'm gonna get it set up and see if we can weld it back up. I'm going to put some braces in as well and just give it a bit of extra support. So see how it goes. I've got it all set up. I've driven some chisels in underneath the box section that way, so they're a bit bent, just to get them up so I can weld along there. I think what I'm going to do as well is get some big, or make some big sort of plates with holes in, and bolt this part back down to the legs because it's a bit rusted out there and damaged. So I think that's probably the best bet, is to bolt that back down. And I wasn't sure really whether to put in a diagonal brace. The only thing I'm worried about doing that is, like, I suppose it gets, the silage gets caught in there as well, but I might just put I've got some good strong angle iron there, which I think is 100mm by 100mm, so I might just cut out some thin strips and weld in there like that. I think that might be the best bet really. Then there's nothing to catch around like silage and stuff, so I've got a piece of a bit of an offcut here, so what I'll do is yeah, cut out, strip and weld in there like that. I think should give it some support. I haven't squared it up yet. I've got to get this this piece here up right to that there, and see what we can do. Right, let's try and get it all tacked up, and that'll be a start. Right, just welded that sort of brace in there, done one down there. I just got to turn it up and weld the other way, or turn it over so I can weld on the flat. It's not necessarily the neatest of welding, but it'll do the job. I'm a bit worried about being careful, because the metal I'm welding to here is so thin that it's easy to burn through, so yeah, but I think that'll fix it anyway. I did drill some holes in that plate, thought I might bolt it as well, but I haven't decided on that yet. Right, I just welded along the side. That looks better. So I'll weld down that edge there in a minute. Right, that's the feeder all done. It's back on the trailer, ready to go back. Welded in some braces in there. bolted the leg to the bottom of the feeder, so that should give it some extra support. Trouble is with these feeders, it's a nice strong feeder, but the metal on them is so thin that it's a job to weld to it. So I've strengthened it with some, well, you can see from there, look what I've done. Hopefully that should be good. Right, I'm going to take this back now. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back with another one soon.